In this video, I will show you how to install in your computer the software needed to control a Minicircuits generator in Windows 10. I will also explain the main functionalities you will find in this software. The manufacturer provides a control program that can be downloaded for free from the link shown here. Currently, the manual only explains installation procedures for WinXP, Windows 7 and 8, but not for Windows 10. If you try to install the software in Windows 10, you will get two warning messages asking for permission to override a couple of DLL files. They are libraries containing functions to create forms, and they are used by Microsoft Office. We need to make backup copies of our files and override them to make the control program work. The connection to your PC can be made with either an USB cable or an Ethernet one. I will choose USB. A window opens allowing you to set the power and frequency of your signal. I will choose -30 dBm of power. Then I press apply. And now I choose a frequency of 1000 MHz. Apply again, and finally click on radio frequency off. We can change at any time either the power or the frequency by using the scroll bar. The button Increase Set enables you to configure both the power and frequency step sizes. Let us talk about the sweep mode option. This option allows you to swap either in frequency or power. With the dwell time, you will be able to specify how long a single point will last. The home mode enables us to program complex sweeps, where you can specify independently the frequency and power for each point. You can access this utility from either the sweep mode window or the main menu. The pulse mode window offers you the possibility to generate a train of pulses with a specific duty cycle. The pulses can be launched in free run mode or by means of trigger events. Finally, with a multi-generator sweep control, we have the possibility of controlling several generators with a single PC.